Oh, let's go with this 5-finger drumming exercises dedicated for every level. Let's go. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Let's warm up and get to basics. We have a backing track, consists of kick and snare. Let's hear it. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Main idea is 2 hits must be with same volume. What is the bed playing? Want to hear it a little less. But sometimes this is not bed playing, this is a goal that we're searching for. But not in this exercise. Ooh. Kick hi-hat coordination, the hardest thing to most beginners to crack. 2 independent sounds running simultaneously from 2 different fingers. Okay, let's play the track. Let's add the snare. And for the final, let's use the additional sample over here.